Hello and welcome to English with Confidence podcast. This is not just a story, it is a journey to improve your English while listening to something magical. So sit back, relax, and let your mind travel. Today, we have a special story for you. It is about the ocean, a mystery that lives deep beneath the waves. Some people call it the Silent Sea, a place full of secrets, a place where time itself has stopped. Are you ready to explore it with me? Then listen carefully to the secret of the Silent Sea.
In a small coastal village lived a boy named Oriv and his friend, Mira. They came to spend their summer holidays by the ocean, a place full of beauty and secrets. The villagers often whispered about a strange place in the ocean. They called it the Silent Sea. They said anyone who sailed there never returned. At night, voices were heard from the water, calling out to people. Oriv was curious. He loved mysteries. One evening, he went to meet an old sailor. The sailor spoke in a low voice. "The sea may look calm," he said, "but beneath the still waters lies a city frozen in time, and those who enter never come back." Mira was afraid, but Oriv was excited. He wanted to know the truth. The next morning, they took a small boat and sailed towards the Silent Sea. The farther they went, the quieter it became. The waves stopped. The wind stopped. Even their boat stopped. Oriv looked down into the deep blue water, and what he saw took his breath away. Beneath the ocean was a city. Towers, domes, palaces, an entire kingdom under the sea. Then a voice called out, "Oriv, come down." Mira grabbed his hand. "Don't go. It's a trap." But Oriv could not resist. He dived into the water. Inside the city, people were still moving. They laughed. They talked. As if time had stopped, only for them. A girl appeared before Oriv. Her eyes were full of sorrow. She whispered, "We are trapped here. This city was cursed. Now we are prisoners, forever." She held out a glowing pearl. "You have a choice," she said. "Stay here with us, or free us all. Take this pearl, break it on the surface of the sea. Only then will the curse be broken." Oriv hesitated, but finally he swam up, holding the pearl tightly in his hand. On the boat, Mira watched with fear. Oriv lifted the pearl high and smashed it on the surface of the ocean. The sea roared. The waters shook. The city began to collapse. The people, the towers, everything disappeared. And suddenly, silence. The ocean was calm again. The Silent Sea looked ordinary. When they returned to the shore, the old sailor was waiting. His eyes shone with mystery. "You have uncovered one secret of the sea," he said. "But remember, the ocean hides many more."
Thank you for listening. This was the secret of the Silent Sea. If you enjoyed this story, stay tuned for more magical stories and improve your English with confidence.